Today we're changing spark plugs on a Volvo B20 motor from a 1965 Volvo PV544 Sport. So guys, it's time to change the spark plugs on our Volvo here. Here's what the old spark plug looked like. I took it off to go to Napa to get these exact spark plugs. Here's the name of the spark plug, so Auto Light, and it's a 275, and these are copper. And I took one off just to go to Napa and get the right one. Here's the new ones. You gotta assemble them. I'll show you how. And they're pretty easy to take off. You unplug this, and then you plug it back in when you're ready to go. You can take all of them off at once, but I'm just gonna take and change one of them, only one at a time. So when you take your new ones out, guys, this right here screws on. It might be off if you take it out of the box, and the washer might not be in the right place. So you make sure the washer is on, and then what you want to do is come over here, and you're gonna screw it in hand tight. I'm gonna show you in a minute how to take it off, but you're gonna screw it in hand tight in there, and then you're going to screw it in with a wrench or a socket. I'm going to show you in a second here. So I'm using a 13/16 wrench with an extender and a ratchet, and you're just going to tighten it down. Guys, the socket, by the way, is a special spark plug socket. Now you're just going to screw it in until you get it tight, and let me show you here quickly. You want to get it tight, but not too tight, so don't over tighten, just enough so it'll be snug. Then what you want to gonna do, guys, is grab this and make sure she's lined up there, and just pop her in. That plugs in. So to take the next one off, you can remove all four of them. Just don't get confused which one goes to which, but you just pop her off like this. You grab your socket, and you're just gonna unscrew clockwise, of course. And then once it's loose enough, you're just going to take her off with your own hands, just like so. And I'm going to show you a little trick here in just a second. So guys, to get this one off, it's a little tighter. So with your socket wrench setup, you're going to convert to this setup, and you'll see why. Because it's kind of tight in between to use with the extender. And you're going to unscrew just like so. You're going to use not an extender, but as you can see, I'm unscrewing just like that, and that's how you do it. Well guys, and that's how you change the spark plugs in a 1965 Volvo PV544 Sport. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.